Hey guys, it's Julie and a quickly growing baby. And today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a delicious superfood lentil soup that I actually created just for pregnancy. Trust me, I get it. Eating well can often feel overwhelming during pregnancy, as you're often given a long list of nutrients and best of foods to eat. But soup recipes give us the opportunity to house many of these beneficial ingredients all in one meal, making achieving Gold Star health suddenly so much easier. While you certainly don't have to be pregnant to enjoy this recipe, if you are currently expecting, you can feel really good here about the nutrients that you're giving to your body and, of course, your baby. In a large soup pot, warm some olive oil over medium heat. We'll use some chopped red onion, which has an additional antioxidant edge over yellow varieties, and saute it for a few minutes until it starts to get some color. We'll add a little bit of minced garlic and stir that in for a minute longer. We'll add some dried lentils, which are a pregnancy power food that packs in stores of protein, fiber, folate, and iron, a couple of bay leaves, as well as some vegetable broth. Now we can add some sweet potato, a great source of essential beta-carotene, which we're just peeling and chopping into small dice and adding to the soup. We'll cover the soup and cook until the lentils are tender, about 15 minutes longer. Now we can remove the bay leaves and add 6 packed cups of baby arugula, a powerful superfood filled with folate, calcium, vitamin K, and more. We'll also add some hemp seeds for some extra superfood protein and omega-3s, as well as some lemon juice, whose vitamin C helps to make the iron in the lentils more digestible. If you need to, you can add a touch of water to thin the soup, as well as salt or ground black pepper. Within a minute or two, the arugula should be wilted and the soup is ready. Ladle into serving bowls and, if desired, top with a little non-dairy yogurt and a drizzle of olive oil. For the full recipe, cooking tips, and much more, visit luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.